everyone, my name is Andrea Ansel, Director of Design at FTD and Pro Flowers. To prepare for the busy Valentine's Day ahead, I'm going to show you how to make the standard size of the Be Mine bouquet. Fill your cinched vase 3/4 of the way with room temperature water and get started building the base of your design with salal tips. We'll begin with our focal flower, the hydrangea. Cut this bloom short so that it sits close to the lip and fills in the center of the vase. Then you'll add your lavender spider mums, placing one towards the front and the other towards the back. Go ahead and grab your stock stems, adding them to the left and right side of the design so they poke out from the sides. Angle one upwards and then let the other cascade a little bit over and drape down the side. This design should feel very horizontal. On one side, add in your bright orange rose. This has a beautiful contrast with the blue hydrangea we added earlier. The last flower you will add is your orange carnation. Add it on the opposite side of the rose in the arrangement. Lastly, add in 2 stems of Israeli ruscus, being sure to leave some height on these so they sit above the arrangement. Make sure they don't look like bunny ears, since it's not the look we're going for. And there you have it, a Be Mine bouquet ready to go.